We are pleased to show you the 2015 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.